Hey, welcome back to E-Reed's Way. I'm gonna make some Southern style greens in 45 minutes. 45 minutes, maybe 50 minutes. I got collard greens, turnip greens, mustard greens, and kale. I'm gonna cut that all up and get that ready. I'm gonna prep that for later today. So here we go. I'm just gonna cut it. I'm not gonna worry about separating. I already washed it. I'm just gonna cut it down, bag it up, put it in the refrigerator till later. Maybe I spend less time in the kitchen. 45 minutes, Southern greens. I'll just show you a quick way of how I'm doing my greens. I'm not separating them from the bundle. I'm just rolling them all up. This right here is kale. I don't care about wasting that last little bit. I just keep them bundled up, trim around it, and cut off of it. What I can see, I'm not in a hurry about tearing it apart, getting all I can out of it. And I put them in here, and kind of chop it up a little bit. On my cutting board here, and put it in my bag for later. Not a secret, not a big old deal of tearing everything apart. Get them in the bundle like that. I already cleaned them. I already cleaned all of them. It's still wrapped up. Get them just like that. Slice. I ain't worried about this little skin here. Chop it like that. Take the little pieces off. I'm done. All 6 bundles. I did just like that. These here, I just rip them up. They're loose. I'm putting this down. There's a whole bag of them. I don't know how much it is, but 6 bundles. All bagged up. This is trash. Wash that in a second. Here. I'm pretty much done for the day. This one almost 1:45. Meat's done. I put the vegetables on about later on this afternoon, 45 minutes, hour, about 45 minutes. And that's it. Welcome back, everybody, to the Reed's Way. Today we're gonna show, cook up some Southern greens in about 45 minutes. I already got the greens clean. I got everything separated. I'm just gonna play with it and throw it together. 45 minutes, my greens will be done. Here's my onion. And garlic. And I'll show you the final result once I mix everything in. That's what it looks like. All right, I sauteed the garlic and onions for 2 minutes. Now I add the rest of the ingredients: salt, pepper, brown sugar, apple cider vinegar, and tomato paste. Coming out of there.
Good. What I thought.
I saute this for another minute. I saute that for another minute. Beef broth. So now I do get my greens. Greens already cut up and washed. Damn. I'm gonna waste some.
What?
Huh? And smoked turkey neck. No ham hock. Smoked turkey neck. You can use ham hock if you want to. Put that on top. Put my lid on. I'm not sponsored by Power Pressure Cooker XL, but I'm doing it in 45 minutes on the Power Pressure Cooker. It's gonna build up pressure, then it's gonna do a countdown to 45 minutes later. All right, 45 minutes is up. I'm gonna let this vent off. And let that vent off, and then I'll be right back. All right, it's finished venting. I'm gonna take the top off and check them. I know they're done. All those greens that I put stuffed in there are now cooked down, way down. So we're gonna take them out and try them a little bit. Southern made greens in 45 minutes. Green, all kind of greens, mustard, turnip, collards, and kale.